welcome back to our channel. I know we haven't been making a lot of videos lately. I've just been super low on energy with this pregnancy, so it's just really hard for me to, I don't know, just get up and get ready. And but lately I've been nesting, so I've been having actually like surge of energy to like get up and get ready, put on makeup, etc, etc. So that's why we're making the video today. I am 38 and 5 weeks today, so before he makes his entrance, I want to show you guys his nursery that we did for him. So I wanted to make a video on that, and then hopefully like the labor and delivery part of the video, hopefully we'll see how that's gonna go. And then obviously when he's here, we'll make another video as well, so please keep tuning in. So yeah, let's see, I'm trying to think like what's new. Really nothing. We've just been working and just trying to get things ready for him to come, so really nothing new. So yeah, let me show you guys my little belly. Like I said, I'm 38 and 5, so 9 months and a half. It's getting big, as you can see from the last video. I was like super tiny. I didn't even show that much, so definitely he's getting big. I just wonder how big he's gonna be. If you guys have any guesses on how big he's gonna be, drop a comment below. So yeah, are you guys excited to see the nursery? Because I'm so excited to show you guys the nursery. And another thing is that I'm gonna show you guys the nursery, and I'm gonna make you guess his name. If you know, please don't comment. If you don't, take a guess. So yeah, let's go look at the video. I mean, not video, the nursery. Bye. Here's the door. Here we go. Alrighty, here it is. Well, let me go from like the one side and then we'll go all the way around. Okay, so his little drawers, I was gonna put something here, but I still don't know what I want to hang here, so maybe I'll go to Hobby Lobby and just kind of check out what they have. So as you can see, we just have a diaper pail. These are, I heard these are really nice because it blocks the smell and stuff like that. So there's his little trash can, I guess. And then we have the little the diaper changing little pad, as you can see, and then that's his diaper bag. I don't know why that's up there. Let's just put that down here. So yeah, his little, what is that called? The wardrobe, as you can see, kind of organized it a little bit. I see like we have the drop cloths here. I have the little hats, and then bird cloths right here. Little glove department, and then not department, just gloves and socks, and like the onesies that we're gonna be using. The next drawer we have like a thicker onesies and like the zip up sleepwears, and then little blankets, and then just little thicker blankets, and then the bottom drawers will be just kind of like those thick blankets, and then just his swaddles I put right here. This cute little shelf I found on Amazon. They are super easy to put together, and just has, you're gonna put all his books and stuff in there. Just super cute. And then our little line just swinging. So cute. There's that. And then his little crib. As you can see, a lot of lions in there. And then another lion, little baby cub, and his little bobby pillow, and then we still haven't put up the camera yet, and then like the little sound machine we have here. Little plants, and then My friend knitted this for me. It's super cute. Kind of goes with our room. I love it. I love the colors. And then just that chair is like super comfortable. They swivel. They has a leg rest, which is super nice. So yeah, and then this is his closet right here. Sorry guys, I'm so out of breath, as you can tell. Okay, I try to have everything organized, just the organizer stuff here. I put his shoes up there, just like the bath essentials, lotions, and wash. And then just like the little, you know, teethers and stuff. We're probably not gonna use until he's a little bit of, like in a couple months. Just have all that there. And then my breastfeeding essentials that I need. And then just, I'm just gonna put the white piece here. So this is his little closet, as you can see. Oh my God, guys, this is so cute. I love this. But, so yeah, we have it all hang up like 0 to 3 months, 3 to 6 months, 6 to 9, and you know, all in order. And then some German's clothes he needs to move out. But yeah, I still need to organize some stuff up there. But so yeah, this is his little closet. I just have like extra diapers and stuff that we got. So yeah, his closet's pretty big, isn't it? So yeah, here's that. So you guys, that is his video. That is his nursery. Hope you guys liked it. I don't know what I still don't want to know what I want to put over there. If you guys have any suggestions, please drop down below. As you can see, it's just very like a kind of like a jungly theme, I guess you can say. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And then should be coming with another video shortly here. Maybe hopefully the next video will be with him. We'll see. So yeah, hope you guys like the video. Bye.